race. Anytime now. And the reason Jaden Diamond from the outside is final impact Moonraker. Speed Bullet moving up by the rail. It's Moonraker Speed Bullet running by the racing on the outside. Final impact. Jade Diamond is running in fourth by the rail. It's now 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Moonraker followed by final impact Speed Bullet is running in third by Doral, moving up. Entry number 3, Conqueror, Jaden Diamond, Sweet Julian Kayakino, is Ling Sharefek, third last on the outside. Escapo, Domek is bring up the rear, and hitting the far turn, Moonraker by Hapalan. Final impact is running in second, and running in third by about 3 lengths. Speed Bullet, Conqueror, Jaden Diamond, Sweet Julian, is Ling Sharefek, Kayakino, as they swing for Moonraker by a length and a half, followed by final impact on the outside. Jaden Diamond, Conqueror, Sweet Julian, Moonraker by about 2 lengths, and by the release Conqueror on the outside. Jaden, there's a spill, and hitting the finish line, Moonraker, and finally Moonraker, second, Conqueror, Sweet Julian, Jaden Diamond, Kayakino,